Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to set a playlist as a course on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and the ability to create playlists. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this way for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. Via a shortcut within bookmarks, click on this way for that to load. Once that is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Now what we want to do is go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on content, and then we want to navigate to playlists. As you can see, we have a lot of playlists on screen. However, we want to go to the top right corner, create a brand new playlist, add a title, which will be, for the purpose of this tutorial, test, description, test. If we wish to, we can change the visibility and the sort order. We'll just keep it the way it is. We'll add a couple of videos, click on done, create. And now the playlist itself has been created. However, we want to now turn this playlist to a course. So go to options, set as course. Once we click on course, we are then presented with some more options that will allow us to change the title, description, and visibility. Let's now keep it the way it is. Click on done. This has successfully set as course. Go to courses. And here we have that created playlist now turned into a course within courses. If I want to, let's just say, set back as a playlist, we then receive another option that tells us to, if we set as playlist, are you sure you want to set this course as a playlist? This will remove course features from it. For now, let's just say yes. We can now see that the courses for that particular course has been completely removed from this section and are reverted back to playlist only. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.